If God woke you up today, your purpose isn't finished yet. So get up and keep going. So today, January 28, 2026, before anything else, I read the Word of God. And I know kasi na kailangan talaga natin ng salita ng Lord araw-araw for our daily encouragement, for our daily motivation. And kailangan din talaga natin ng something na magle-lift up ng araw-araw natin because importante talaga ang first 5 minutes ng araw natin. So, our first 5 minutes ay ilaan talaga natin in spending time in the Lord so that our spiritual life will be boosted and mas lalo tayong motivated na mag-go lang araw-araw. So, our devotions actually is in Deuteronomy. So, ngayon, nasa Deuteronomy chapters 30, 31, and 32 na kami. But, usually, whenever kasi nagre-read tayo ng Word of God, meron talaga dyan na word si Lord para sa atin. At ang tawag doon, yun yung Rhema word natin. So, yung Rhema word ko for today is in Deuteronomy chapter 31, verses 7 to 8. Yung Rhema kasi yan yung talaga yung tumatak sa'yo. Yan talaga yung nag-strike sa puso mo. At yan talaga yung pinapasabi sa'yo ng Lord. So, in this verse, dito sa verse 7, Then Moses called for Joshua, and as all Israel watched, he said to him, Be strong and courageous, for you will lead these people into the land that the Lord swore to their ancestors he would give them. You are the one who will divide it among them as their grants of land. Do not be afraid or discouraged, for the Lord will personally go ahead of you. He will be with you. He will neither fail you nor abandon you. So, sa dalawang verse lang na to, ay marami nang nagrema sa akin. Isa talaga sa mga nagtatak sa puso ko ay be strong and courageous. Yun yung isa sa mga nagrema sa akin. Be strong and courageous. You will lead these people. Do not be afraid or discouraged. The Lord will personally go with you. Those are the phrases na nagrema sa akin. Kasi in our times right now, sa panahon natin ngayon, kailangan po talaga natin maging malakas. We really need to be strong, not only for our own self, but for those people din na nakatingin sa atin, for our family, for our friends, for our community. They are watching us, how strong we are. Kaya God is reminding us, no, sa lahat ng nakikinig dito sa boses na to, the Lord is reminding you to be strong. Be strong and be very courageous. Lahat po tayo may mga pinagdadaanan po tayo sa buhay natin. Lahat tayo may mga circumstances, may mga unknown battles tayo. May mga battles tayo na hindi alam ng iba. But the Lord is motivating you today that you need to be strong. You need to be strong for yourself, for your family, for the next generation, for those people na nakatingin sa'yo. You need to be strong. Labanan mo ang hamon ng buhay. So, isa din sa nagrema sa akin is you will lead these people. Gano'n naman po talaga, no? May mga tao talaga, ang sabi ko nga kanina, may mga tao talaga na nakatingin sa atin. May mga tao na they see us as their model, they see us as their leader. At kung ano ka, parents ka, kung ina at ama ka ng tahanan, ang mga anak nyo ay nakatingin sa inyo. Kung estudyante ka, yung mga classmates mo, nakatingin din yan sa'yo. They are seeing you as a strong, independent na tao, or may tao na nakikita, wow, ang galing naman niya. Kasi, I believe, no, na mas lalo tayong gagaling, mas lalo natin ginagalingan when we are motivated, when we are inspired. That's why we really need to be inspired always with the Word of God. Isa pa sa nagrema sa akin is do not be afraid or discouraged. So, alam niyo po, sa life natin ngayon, may mga discouragement talaga na darating sa buhay natin. May mga disappointments na nangyayari sa life natin. Pero sabi nga ng Lord, do not be afraid. Do not be afraid to face challenges. Do not be afraid to face discouragement and disappointments. Kasi ang Diyos, tutulungan niya tayo. Yes, darating man yan sa buhay natin, pero wag mong takasan. Harapin natin yung mga bagay na yan. Kasi by that, we will be more stronger. Mas lalo tayong tatatag. The more na pagtatagumpayan natin yung mga problemang pinagdadaanan natin, the more na tumatatag tayo. So, one of my reflection dito po sa rema ko na ito is that na-realize ko po na kailangan talaga natin pong maging malakas. Kailangan talaga natin na maging matatag. Not only for our own self, but for those people who are around us, for our family. And one of the motivation na sinasabi ng Diyos sa atin is that, do not be afraid. Huwag kang matakot. Lakasan mo ang loob mo. Because God will raise you up. God will raise us. Hindi po tayo iiwan ng Lord. Sabi niya nga, the Lord will personally go with you. Kung paanong sinamahan ng Diyos si Moses, ganun niya rin sinamahan si Joshua. Ganun din po tayo.